Hi, I'm Joshua Walker, a registered polysomnographic technologist with Star Sleep and Wellness. Today, I'm going to show you how to use your WatchPAT sleep study device. When you first get your device, you're going to open up the case and there will be 8 items inside. You will have 2 adhesive stickers, a watch, the watch clip and band, a chest lead and sensor with a microphone, 2 finger probes, and a spare battery. Let's begin with the assembly of the device. First thing you'll do is you'll take the watch band and clip with the watch itself and snap it into place. Now that this is connected, you can place this on the wrist itself. You want this to be snug against the wrist, but not so tight that it feels as if it's cutting off the circulation to the wrist. The next step will be to attach the finger probe. Guide the teeth into the position and click it in. Make sure that your nails are clean with no nail polish or acrylic style nails attached, as it will impede the sensor's ability to get a clear signal of your blood oximetry throughout the night. Now that your nails are clear, go ahead and place your finger inside the probe. You can use any finger on the hand, just do not use your thumb. You want it to look exactly like this. Now that the finger probe is on, you then want to pull the little pink tab all the way out until it releases the adhesive to allow the probe to stay attached to your finger throughout the night. The next element we'll add is the chest lead and sensor. You'll attach the chest lead and sensor to the watch by lining up the fork and connecting. Once connected, you'll take one of the adhesive stickers and place it on the back of the chest lead. Once the sticker is attached, you'll then pull the small white tab and place the chest lead and microphone in between your sternum and collarbone. Sometimes the chest lead and sensor can come loose at night. We recommend placing a Band-Aid or a piece of tape over the wire portion of the lead. You do not want to place the tape over the microphone or sensor itself, as it can impede our ability to detect snoring or other respiratory events at night. Now you're ready for your first night of sleep. You'll press and hold the power button and a purple man will show up on the screen with a set of 3 Z's. Once they appear, go ahead and get into bed and sleep for us for as long as you can. If you get up at any point in the night and need to go to the restroom, attend to a child's needs, or let a pet out, please make sure not to remove any of the equipment, as it can terminate your study and we cannot get a firm diagnosis. Once you've completed the first night's study and you're ready to wake up for the day, you'll begin removing each element of the sleep study. You'll pull the chest lead off, you'll pull the finger probe off of your finger, and remove the watch. Do not hit the power button. What we want to do instead is remove the back clip from the watch itself and pull the first night's battery out of the equipment. Take this battery and throw it away. Once the battery is removed, you'll then go to your WatchPAT case and remove the second night's battery and replace it. You'll remove the sticky adhesive from the back of the chest lead and remove the finger probe as well. Both the sticky adhesive and the probe can then be thrown away. You'll follow the exact same assembly steps as you did for night 1 and repeat that process for night 2's study. Once your second night is complete, you'll power down the study and prepare to return it to us here at Star Sleep and Wellness.